We'll start with our today's lecture, that is in statistics. We'll see how to fit a power curve, or we can also say a geometric curve, a curve of the form y is equal to a into x raised to b. How to fit it, we'll see that. In last lecture we have seen the equation y is equal to a into b raised to x, where we have taken log of that on both sides. So we'll again take log, but now in this case we'll take natural log on both sides. Why natural log? Because as there is log of x we have to take, and x is a variable where a and b are constant. We can take log to the base 10 to constants like shorter terms, but in case of observations like higher bigger terms, x observations and y observations, we have to take ln, natural log. And if we have taken ln, natural log, instead of log to the base 10 in previous example, that is in the solution of y is a into b raised to x, we can also take ln. We'll get the same result in case of ln also. But if we'll use log to the base 10 to such fitting, we will get wrong results. So remember, in such fittings we must take natural log on both sides. So by applying the properties of log, we'll get ln y is equal to ln a plus ln x raised to b, log a plus log b. That is, ln y is equal to ln a plus b ln x. Now we'll put ln y is equal to, say, y star, ln a, say, a star, and ln x, say, x star. So the equation 1 becomes y star is equal to a star plus b into x star, which is a linear equation in x star and y star. So we can write its normal equation next. So as here is x star, so we have to multiply by x star. So first normal equation is summation y star is equal to na star plus b summation x star. This is your first normal equation. As power of x star is 1, there are two normal equations. So one more normal equation is summation, as there is x star instead of x, so we have to multiply by x star. So x star y star is equal to a star summation x star plus b summation x star square. This is your equation number 4. These two are normal equation and your original equation. This is your fitting. We have to find out a and b from these two equations, and we have to substitute in this for the required results. Okay, we'll see example on that. Fit a power curve of the form. Power curve is always of the form y is equal to a into x raised to b to the following data. And data is x, y, values of x are 1, 2, 4 and 6, and y's are 6, 4, 2, 2. Okay. And there is some question also, estimate y at 2.5. That is where x is 2.5, you have to find out the value of y. Okay. As it is a fitting of power curve, so we have to write the equation of power curve, that is y is equal to a into x raised to b. That is, then we have to take log on both sides, natural log. Ln y is ln a plus b ln x. Next, ln a plus b ln x. Nextly, we will substitute ln y as y star, ln a as a star, and ln x as x star. So equation becomes y star is equal to a star, y star is equal to a star plus b x star. Okay, we'll write its normal equations. Normal equations are, so first normal equation is summation y star is equal to na star plus b summation x star. Okay, so it is 1, this is a 2, and next one more normal equation is summation x star y star is equal to a star summation x star plus b summation x star square. Say this is your equation number 3. Okay, then in your table we'll need summation of y star, summation x star, summation x star square, and summation x star y star. So we'll draw a table. Table will have x, y original values, then x star, y star, x star square, and x star into y star. Okay, we'll write all your x. X are 1, 2, 4, 6. Y is a 6, 4, 2, 2. Then x star, we'll find x star. What is our x star? X star is ln x. We can write it. X star is nothing but ln x. Y star is nothing but ln y. X star square and then x star into y star. So we'll find ln of x, natural log of x. That is ln of 1. It is and substituting the values of x star 0, 0.6931, 1.38629, 1.79175, y star 1.79175, 1.38629, next ln y, ln 2, that is 0.6931, and again ln 2 0.6931. Next we write x star square, that is 0, 0.48038, 1.92179, 3.21036. Lastly, x star into y star 0, 0.96083. Again the same values, 0.96083, and lastly it is 1.24186. We'll write all the summations. We'll get summation x star as 3.871201, summation y star as 4.564348, summation x star square as 6.09312, summation x star y star as 3.163765. And we need capital N also. So capital N is total number of observations, that is equal to 4. Okay, all these values will substitute in equation number 2 and 3. We get summation y star, that is 4.564348. This is equation number 2. So equation 2 becomes summation y star is equal to na star. N is 4 into a star plus b summation x star 3.871201 b. Next equation number 3 becomes 3.163765 is equal to 3.871201 a star plus 6.09312b. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we'll get a star is equal to 1.658116. But okay, we'll find first of all a star and b. Solving them simultaneously, a star is this and b is minus 0.533198. But we are interested in a and we have got a star, but we know a star is nothing but ln a. So a is nothing but e raised to a star. So a is e raised to a star. A star is 1.65811166. So your a becomes 5.249414. This is your a. We have a, we have b, and as we have a and b, we'll substitute in your original equation, call it as star. So star becomes y is equal to a 5.249414 into x raised to b, and b is minus 0.533198. This is the required fitting of power curve. Now there is one sub question. Estimate y at x is 2.5. So we'll substitute x as 2.5, put x is equal to 2.5 and your equation obtained. So we get y is equal to 5.249414 into 2.5 raised to minus 0.533198, and after solving we'll get y as 3.2205, and this is the required answer. Okay, we'll take one more example. Fit example number 2. Fit a power curve of the form y is equal to a into x raised to b to the following data, and data is given to you as price x and demand y. So prices are 20, 16, 10, 11, 14, 22, 41, 120, 89 and 56. I hope you understood and you can solve this example. This is your homework. I also want you to solve all of them as exercise. Thank you.